Hello everyone, Trent Matthews here from Andrews Computer Services. Today we're going to talk about the Web 2.0. You know, a lot of people are asking all about it. They have all kinds of questions. You know what? We got some answers for you. Today we're going to talk more about web videos. Web videos are becoming more and more of today's market. Let's face it, everywhere you're going, you're either watching a YouTube video or an emo video or some kind of video on Facebook and your Twitter and your LinkedIn. These are great ways of getting out to your advertising market. And a lot of people think, well, I can do it, but the only problem is it's going to cost us a lot of money. Not necessarily the case, folks. Let's face it, today's technology, it can be done a lot cheaper than you think. But we'll talk about that in a little bit. Let's face it, using web videos has grown. There is over 3 billion people each year watching the internet, watching videos, not just watching 2 minutes of it. They're watching it consistently. This is it, folks. We're getting people on the internet more than they are in front of television, more in front of the commercials that we're watching on the old television. Everyone's sick of that. Come on down, we'll sell you a great deal. Nobody wants that anymore, folks. Let's face it, I don't want it, you don't want it. Let's make it better. Let's show people that we can do better. How can we do it better? Well, let's talk about how we're going to get it out there. Yes, you can use your social networks, your Facebook, your Twitter, your LinkedIn. But did you know also that you can do it in an e-blast format, a PDF document, like we're doing right now? This is a way to get your attention. Get people to say, hey, there's something different. These people are going to be more interested in it because they're going to say, wait a second. If he's done it, then there's got a way I can do it. And then you're reaching another target market. Doesn't that sound great? Also, let's face it, people are getting it on their Xbox, their PS3s. They're playing it on their own home television sets. Like I said, nobody's watching television anymore. Well, they are, but they aren't. You know what I'm saying? So, yes, I'm not trying to knock down commercials on the televisions. They're great. You know, there's a lot of things that you can do. You can even use these kind of videos in today's market, and you're not paying the big overhead costs that you used to. You know, another thing that we're also seeing is people are on their phones a lot more with the Androids, the iPhones, and the Microsoft phones. They're all web-based phones. And guess what? They're watching the videos there too. This is a great mechanism, folks. You're also in a boardroom. A lot of people are doing video conferences or even training. Wouldn't it be great just to have a training video where you can actually do the training one time and then say, okay, everyone go to the boardroom, play the video, and then you can leave or watch it with them to see how the progress goes. Or how about this? Take this video, put it on your storefront. So when people come into your shop, instead of just looking at a television set showing you something else, show them your product, show them your services, show them who you are. Don't you think that would get their attentions a lot more? I think they would. So now you're thinking to yourself, okay, Trent, what's going on? What's the sales pitch? You know, you're coming on, you're telling us what we need to do, but what do you want? Well, honestly, I want to help you guys to get out there. And the way I also want to do is help the community. And I'm going to explain how I'm going to do that. See, here on Answers, we have two kinds of packages going on right now. One is called our 2-minute package, where I just bring a camera and my Yeti microphone. My Yeti microphone is a clear sounding USB, makes it sound really nice and clear. We would do a 2-minute video for $200, and that's it. No bells and whistles. We just cut it, slice it nicely, and give it to you for your use to whatever you want to use it for. Or you can go with our package number 2, which I think is a great package because it's not just putting money in my pocket, but also helping out the community, because I'm more community driven than a lot of people know. If you watch a lot of my YouTube videos, please check out the Answers channel, because honestly, we do a lot of community events and we're still haven't stopped because we're doing a lot more. So keep an eye on that. But what this package is a $500 value package. And right now we're giving you guys a break. So what we're doing is a $500 value, which means you get a green screen. Right now, I'm not standing behind a luxury studio. As you can see, it's a green screen. Now it's back to something normal. Ladies and gentlemen, it's that kind of technology that has been around for years, but we can now incorporate it into computer and make it into more mainstream. The other thing that we can help you with is script writing. A lot of times you don't know what to say, don't know how to talk to people. Well, that's fine. We have a lady that will come with you, sit down, interview you, and write a script that is going to work for you to make you feel that you're going to get your message out about your services, your products, what you need to get out there. The other thing that we are offering is a 25% discount to our chamber members. Anybody that wants to take up on this offer, we're giving you 25% off of the $500. But this is where I'm saying this is the part that I hold dear the most, because I'm very community driven and I want to give out to the community. We have a lot of community of people that need help with money. Well, here at Answers, we're going to have a list of local charities and communities that we believe that we want to give money out to. So at the end of it, we're going to give $50 to any of these charities. And it's not our decision on where it goes, but you can leave it to us if you want to say, Trent, you pick the charity you want because you did the work. Or you can say, you know what, I want it to go to this charity or to this organization. And we will make that happen. Because I believe in giving to the community as much as getting from the community, because if we didn't have any of these people here, then guess what? We wouldn't be working here. We wouldn't be setting up shops here. We wouldn't be entrepreneurs. So ladies and gentlemen, you know, think about what I'm saying about the web, because honestly, it's growing, it's getting bigger, but let's not do the flat websites anymore. Let's spruce it up. Let's put some power into it. And just remember, it doesn't just stop at the web. You can use it at your television. You can use it at your conference meetings. You can use it at a trade show. These web videos are not just for the web. So once again, this is Trent Matthews from Answers Computer Services. Have a great day.